Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants without yeast. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, cut in 8 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Gradually add 1/2 cup of ice water, mixing until a shaggy, firm dough forms. Now let's tackle lamination, which creates those beautiful layers. Roll your chilled dough into a 12 by 8 inch rectangle. Fold the dough into thirds, just like you would fold a letter. Rotate the dough 90 degrees, then chill it for 30 minutes. Repeat this rolling, folding, and chilling process 3 more times. This step is key for a flaky texture. With your laminated dough ready, it's time to shape. Roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Cut the dough into triangles, roughly 4 inches wide at the base. Starting from the wide end, gently roll each triangle towards the point to form your croissant shape. Bake them on a parchment-lined sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. For the best no-yeast croissants, remember to keep your butter and water as cold as possible throughout the process. This prevents the butter from melting too quickly, which is essential for those distinct layers. Also, avoid overworking the dough. A light touch is always best for flakiness. Don't forget to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade croissants.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.